With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that we are going to discuss now is hotspots of biodiversity means, and the options are: first is areas of earth that contain many endemic species. Second is species serve as proxy for entire community in particular areas. Third is species in particular niche or area. And fourth is species diversity at a particular area. Now, if you talk about these hotspots, then these biodiversity hotspots, they are the biogeographic regions. Okay, so they are the biogeographic regions, okay, and they are significant reservoir of the biodiversity. Okay, so they are what? They are the reservoir of the biodiversity, okay, and they are also threatened with destruction. Okay, so these regions, they are threatened by destructions. That means there are more chances of destructions in these areas. Okay, that is why they are known as hotspots, as they are having reservoir of the biodiversity. That means they are having many species, okay, but they are also threatened by the several destructions like the floods, the landslides, etc. Okay, now if you talk about the term biodiversity hotspot, then specifically it refers to 25 biologically rich areas. Okay, so how many are there? There are basically 25 biological rich areas around the world that have lost at least 70% of their total habitat. So they have lost 70% of their total habitat. Okay, so if you talk about this biodiversity, then they are the regions which are having rich level of species and they have having high degree of endism. Okay, so they are also having what? They are having high degree of endism. Now, what does that mean? That means that they have what? They have high degree of endemism. That means they are having many endemic species. Okay, so they are rich in this endemic species. Okay, and that is the species, they are not confined to that region and they are not found anywhere else. Okay, so these species, they are only confined to these regions which are the hotspot and they are not found anywhere else. Okay, and I just now told you there are 25 biological hotspots were identified, but subsequently 9 more have been added to the list, bringing up to the total of the 34. So now there will be 34 hotspots which are being found. Okay, and these hotspots, they are also the regions that is accelerated habit loss. Okay, so they are also the regions of habit this habit loss. So there's 70% loss in the habitat which is threatened by the destructions. Okay, and 3 of these hotspots, if you talk about, then the 3 of these hotspots, they are in Western Ghats and Sri Lanka. Western Ghats and Sri Lanka. Then there is what? There is also Indo-Burma and Himalaya. Indo-Burma and Himalaya. Okay, so there is also what? There is also Indo-Burma and this Himalaya. Okay, so these are some of the examples of these hotspots. Okay, and although all the biological hotspots put together cover less than the 2% of the Earth's land area, the number of species they are collectively harbor extremely high, and strict protection of these hotspots could reduce the ongoing mass of the extinction by almost 30%. Okay, so if you come back to the question and the options, the first option, it is saying that area that will contain many endemic species. So this is the correct option. This is the area in which many endemic species are present. Okay, now second, it is saying species serve as proxy for the entire community. That is wrong. They are not serving as proxy for any other community. Okay, third, it is saying species in a particular niche or area. That is also correct. They are the species that is found in a particular species or a area. Okay, so they are mainly found in these hotspots and they are not found in anywhere else. Okay, so species diversity at particular area, that is also correct, but the most correct option here will be option first, which is area of the earth that contains many endemic species. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.